Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video about the new NYX collection. So this has been out in America for a little while now, I think. I remember seeing it on Instagram and stuff and really wanting to try it, but it's finally come out in the UK. So there's the Tropic collection. Hasta la vista. This is another palette. This is the Shifting Sand palette. And it's just really pretty warm tones. This one. I also love the packaging on this. It's so pretty. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this one. Not sure which colours I'm going to use, but definitely a few of those. And then they've come out with a load of colourful eyeliners. These are so pretty and I haven't even swatched them yet, but I feel like they're going to be good. So really excited about these. This is probably the most exciting thing. I love a good colourful liner. They also have a new brow product. This is the Fill and Fill Eyebrow Pomade Pencil. Oh, that makes sense now. So I have already used this as I was charging my camera battery and I need to start getting ready because I need to go out soon. So I did use this off camera, but I really liked it. It was really creamy. And what I really like about this is that it's not just got a normal spoolie. It's got like this hairbrush type spoolie. I absolutely love it because it's so soft. Obviously it doesn't really brush through your eyebrows like a spoolie does, but it really does fluff them up, like it says, fill and fluff. The shade I used was Brunette, and obviously I have used it so it's gone down a bit, but it's kind of this triangle shaped nib. And it's really creamy. I'll just do a little swatch. Oh my god, that's the worst swatch ever, but it's nice and creamy, but not too creamy. And yeah, I really like it so far. Obviously, I will use it again soon, but it was really easy to fill in my brows. So then we have the Bear With Me part of the new collection. This is skin products. So there's a primer, which looks really exciting. A skin tint, tinted veil it says. And then a setting spray. And then we have some lip glosses. This is the Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Polish. I only got a couple of shades, I don't know how many there are. And then also there's a bronzer. This is the California Beaming Bronzer. Beam in. And this is the shade number 1. There are 6 shades. I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Illustrate. So I believe there are 8 mattes and 2 shimmers. 6 pressed pigments and 4 eyeshadows. I'm going in with a Morphe M506. They don't have shade names, but this purple. And I'm going to pack this on my outer corner. Hello. That's better. Don't think I picked much product up the first time. I think I might just do an all over blend, not do a half cut crease or anything today. Okay, and I'm just bringing that roughly above the crease. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything. Now I'm going in with this BH Cosmetics number 11 brush, which is kind of a big pencil brush. And I'm going to go in with a bright pink, which is the shade. And I'm going to pack that above and a little bit on that purple shade. Now I'm taking this brush from Morphe. It's from the Grand Masters brush set. It's just kind of a small blending brush kind of thing. I don't know. And now I'm going to take the bright orange shade, and again I'm going to pack that above and on that pink shade. I think I'm going to go in with the lighter peachy orange, just on this Morphe M321. Why did I find it so hard to say? Morphe M321, and it's just kind of a fluffy pencil brush. And I'm just gonna blend out those edges. I haven't used this brush before, so I don't know if it's the right one, to be honest. Now I'm taking a Morphe M562, which is just a really tiny blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out those edges with no extra product. So now I'm obviously, as I always do, I'm going to go back in with those 3-4 shades and I'm going to pack them on and blend them out again. So just doing those steps all again basically. So I think that's the eyes done for now. I might like touch up the blend and stuff in a bit, but I'm pretty happy with how this has turned out. They are super vibrant and super pigmented and easy to blend too, so that's great. I'm now going to move on to my base, as there are a few base products to try. So the first thing is obviously the Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. So apparently this is like the Illamasqua Hydra Veil, is it? Or Skin Veil? I don't know. Something like that. Apparently it's a similar texture. Pretty cool. It feels like I'm literally just putting jelly on my face. This makes me miss jelly. I used to love jelly. Did anyone else used to have jelly ice cream at parties? How weird was that? Why was jelly and ice cream a thing? I remember loving it though. Ooh. It feels really nice. I think I put way too much on. Shocker. Yeah, it just kind of turns into like a watery consistency. Infused with aloe and cucumber, this lightweight, bouncy, water-based jelly primer moisturizes and preps your complexion for a fresh start. Extends the wear of makeup, blurs the appearance of pores, non-sticky, lightweight feel, skin feels refreshed, blends seamlessly. My skin does feel really refreshed. So then we have the Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil Tinted Moisturizer. So I'm going to go in with a bit of concealer first to just cover up like my redness and my spots and stuff, and then I'm going to go in with the Tinted Skin Veil. So now I am going to go in with the Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil in the shade 02 Vanilla Nude. So they have about 12 shades of this, and I'm just going to blend this in with my Morphe Complexion Blending Sponge, I think it is. I really like this sponge. I should say it's quite light coverage, but like light to medium. Obviously I did put concealer on first, so I'm going to have to put a little bit more concealer on my spots up here because they are quite prominent. But other than that, I think I'm pretty good to go. I feel like that tinted moisturizer thing will be really nice on like kind of no makeup days, kind of when I just want a little bit of coverage. I usually still go in with quite a lot, but yeah, you know, when you want a little bit of coverage to just dull down the redness, because I get a lot of redness with my spots and my cheeks, so yeah, I think that'll be quite nice for that. Gonna go in with the NYX Castle White Salt Powder because I haven't used this much and I still need to form my opinion on it. So now I'm gonna go in with the California Beamin' Bronzer. This is the shade 01, so the lightest. So this is what it looks like. It definitely has shimmer in it. Okay, so it is quite like red toned, which I'm not usually quite a fan of, but it is nice. It was pigmented but not too pigmented. This is the Ofra X Talia Mar Covent Garden. I've used Soho a couple of times and I really like it. It's a little bit too dark, but I do make it work. This is the Covent Garden one, which I think is supposed to be the lighter one. I'm going to spray my face first with the Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh Setting Spray. It was a really fine mist, but it kind of just went into one place, so I had to spray it a few times and then sprayed too much. I wish the mist was a bit wider. Sorry, I'm speaking just with my eyes closed. I don't want my eyes to crease. Yeah, I wish the spray was a bit wider, but yeah. It is a little bit too dark, which I knew would happen. When I saw these, I thought, yeah, they're going to be too dark for me, but I really want to support Talia. I've known her for so long now. So I knew about Ofra, but Talia really made me want to get in, like, try more products because she used to go on about it, well, she still does, so much. So yeah, I've known her for so long now, like years, and she's just such a lovely person. It smelled like Caesar salad dressing, and then it was coffee. I can't even open it.
I'm making pasta sauce.
Oh, I can smell that now. Oh, that smells nice.
What did you do, you silly sausage?
Just stab myself.
Please don't.
It's only with these scissors as well.
That's not hurt.
I know, I'm just saying.
One.
Ow.
Da-da-da.
How the hell? Thank you.
Right.
You can go on that one again. Just gonna start new ones to see if I can do them. Can't grab it. I can't do it still.
Hey. That's a good way of doing it.
a satisfying noise. So this is what they look like. Obviously not in any shade order. I think I'm going to go for the green and the yellow. And I'm going to run that along my lower lash line, kind of like as a base. So I'm going to do the green on the outer corner. And then the yellow on the inner part. So I'm going to go in with the yellow from the palette, and I'm going to pack that on the liner. And then going in with the green and doing the same thing. So my camera cut out, but I just took those shades and like blended them out and kind of tried to get them to blend into the outer corner. It was a little bit hard, but it's because it's green into orange. And I think I actually want to take the blue liner. This is the shade Rainstorm. I really like the names of these. So the yellow is Pineapple Punch and the green is Bamboo. That really worked well. And then the blue is Rainstorm. Oh, I really love this packaging too. I don't know why. It just reminds me of like cool pens. I don't know. I'm just going to use this on my waterline. So I'm going to go do my lashes and stuff off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you the lip gloss as well. So that'll be the last product. Yay. I need to go. So I've just lined my lips with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Brunch Me. It's quite a light pink shade, like a peachy corally shade. I don't really go for it usually, but thought I might as well. I might go in with this shade. This is called Brunch Drunk, so they kind of both have the brunch theme to them, you know. This is obviously the NYX Fillet Instinct plumping lip polish thing in the shade Brunch Drunk. Oh my god. Obviously it has just kind of blended in with my lip liner, but that's kind of what I wanted. Nice. It does feel a little bit tingly, like it is plumping my lips. It's a little tiny bit sticky, but it's not like anything annoying. Just kind of you have something on your lips, you know, like it would be normally. So yeah, this is the finished look using the new NYX products. So there's the Bear With Me products and the Off Tropic products, and there's also a few different other products too. Thank you so much to NYX for having me. I went to an event the other day with them, and this is where I got all of the goodies. I really enjoyed it. Just one thing, guys, if you want to go to IMATS in London, which is next weekend, the 18th and 19th of May, I do have a discount code. I think it's just Alice King Makeup. You get £20 off your ticket, which is crazy. So that is not affiliated or anything. They just gave me a code for you guys to use if you want to go to IMATS next weekend. I will be there, and I hope to see some of you guys there, so that'll be really, really lovely. My Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. I'm posting an up close picture of this look, I think, probably. Thank you so much for watching this video. It really, really means a lot. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.